Hey beautiful people, this one is beginner friendly and I love it. You can actually rock it to anywhere. So guys, stay around and watch every step I take in achieving this head wrap. If you are coming across my video for the first time, you are welcome to my channel. Do well and subscribe to see more simple head wrap tutorials like this. Don't forget to share to people that if you might need this. Leave a beautiful comment and also a thumbs up is needed. Thanks for watching. So I will leave you guys to this tutorial and watch how it is being done. I'm just trying to explain here that we are using 3 layers of 2 different color of Aso-oke, which we're going to grab a band to join together at the top like this, which is the first step. Okay, so this is my band and I'm going to use it to replace my hand and wrap it up so I can proceed to the next step. So I'm going to leave you guys to the video. Watch, learn, recreate, and you see how simple it is. I'll see you on my next one. Hit the subscribe button, it is absolutely free. See you guys.
In the heart of nature's grace, where beauty finds its rightful place, I teach the art that sets you free, to wrap your head in elegance you see. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With fabrics flowing, colors bright, I'll guide your hands to tie just right. Transform your look in minutes flat, with skills that empower, that's a fact. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With from morning's light to evening's glow, your gele speaks of grace, you know. Confidence blooms, your style unique. In every wrap, a story speaks. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. From morning's light to evening's glow, your gele speaks of grace, you know. Confidence blooms, your style unique. In every wrap, a story speaks. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine.